Let's read the story together and I want you to listen carefully.
A family is at the beach. The children are playing with a large inflatable fish that floats on water. Then they build a sand castle and put flags on the 4 towers. Suddenly, they hear a strange sound. The plug has come out of the inflatable fish and all the air is escaping.
Let's read the words together. Fawn, flag, soft, fluff. Now, I want you to do the action with me. Letter F makes this sound.
Fish.
Use your finger and follow the arrow. Let's sing together.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
Cross out the picture that doesn't have the sound. Listen carefully. Feet. Doctor. Fox. Family. Where's the sound? Beginning, middle or end? Farm. Beginning, middle, end. Fish. Beef. Buffalo.